Oops.
Sorry.
Go get it.
Watch out for crocodiles.
No.
Alright, go hit it in now.
Use your stick.
Oh, I can't stick. I
Oh.
used my hand.
Okay.
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 Oh.
I think she's
Oh.
so amazed that it went in that one time. She wants to do it again.
Oops. Oops.
That's
Speed bumps.
It's a dragonfly.
The dragonfly?
Watch this.
No, they use a ball.
Sorry.
Yeah, Daddy. Let mommy try to roll it in there.
So I did it.
Go chip your up.
See this? That. See that? I'll try it. Take it. See that?
Uh-huh. Oh, so close. All right, Daddy's turn.
Kick. And
Hey, Ella, stand like this on top of the speed bump. He'll kick it under your legs. You want to go down the speed bump?
no.
Okay.
R.
Aw, coconuts.
I'll do it. Easy.